So as you can see, I have this flat tire. I'm gonna show you how to fix it real quick. First thing you're gonna do, loosen up these nuts. Bust the lugs. In my case, I need one of these special lug keys. If you need one of those, put one of those on there. But you want to do this before take our jack assembly and we place it underneath the car. Let me show you where. I'm gonna put it in about there. Right? And maybe a little bit farther back. Right there on that little well there. That's where you're supposed to do it. That's why there's this little gap here. Right? You can cradle that in there, like so. Watch this. Right? Right up underneath there. Open that up, open that, open that, open that. It might be too much. Oh. It's pretty just right. Right? You see that? Be upside down or something. Alright, see how it cradles? Oh, boom, shabibbity. Alright, that's all finger tight now. Donut dummy tire on there. Call it a donut dummy because you look like a dummy when you got one on. It's a bummer. Don't go over 50. Probably gotta fill it up. Let me show you how I had this hooked up and raised that car. So I give you this handy dandy little tool. Comes with this lug wrench. You just put those two together, leverage, and one more thing I want to point out is when you're tightening down your lug nuts, you do it in a star pattern. Bing, bong, 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 bong. That way it's flush up against that rotor or drum, whatever it may be. And you know it. That wasn't loud, was it? Oh, that'll never work because I don't have the key on it. Take them up snug. And then you want to tighten them down as a star. So, on there. On there, on there, on there, oh, on there. Okay, that's not tight enough. What we'll do is we'll lower this down. Alright, and we'll just do that the way we did it. I'll just go the opposite way now. Hey. Low rider. Just kidding. Got a flat tire. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, bam. Let's tighten these bad dogs up. One last snug of the nuts. So, like a star. A little boom. There you go. Cross it over. Give it a little bit of Right? You don't want that fucker falling off on you. I didn't put my tail lug that day. Okay. All about. Should be alright. There's a little snap. I like that. Right, give it a little. Sounds good. Which one was it? This one? I didn't get yet. Oh yeah. All right, we're good.